to buy TAP, you can head over to iconswap.me. This has just been refreshed and updated, so it looks nice. Keeping in mind, the Icon blockchain network is new. There's a few things going on with it. There's a lot being built on it. So at the moment, one of the biggest pieces is IconBet. So this is one way you can acquire the token by actually trading some ICX and buying TAP. So there are a few ways you could go into the current swaps that are pending. If we click on TAP, you can see it's swapping ICX for TAP. And the way this works is you have to have the amount of ICX whatever's being offered. So you can't, if you had, you wanted this TAP, you wanted to buy some of this TAP at this rate, but you only wanted 5,000, well, you couldn't pick this order up. It has to be like for like what they're asking for. So here's some of the rates. You can see it is, if I'm swapping ICX, it's trading at the cheapest at the moment is 0.0425 ICX. However, if you are patient and you go, you know what, I want to try and get this at 3.039 ICX, you could create your own swap. So that's what I'll do. I'll hit in. So again, when you go, it wants you to log in. Let's use my wallet. So we are swapping ICX for TAP. I want to swap 10 ICX. It won't get filled, you're just putting an offer in the market. Now you also have to put how much TAP you get. So let me add this amount. So over here, let's put in, you have to put an offer into the market. So I'm going to sell 10 of my ICX for TAP. Just work this out. Now, one of the little things that has changed due to the upgrade is it doesn't show you, it gives you the last price, but it's not telling me exactly how much my offer is per what TAP is worth, and I'll show you what I mean. A quick fix around that is if you do a quick swap and it keeps the same ratios, it tells you over here that I'm offering based on the last price that was traded at 0.03548. The offer I have put for 10 ICX to get, I want 285 TAP. It works out that this is the price. I'm happy with that, and it's just under what the last trade was. You could make it substantially less, like 0.02, but it may never get filled, or if the prices drop, eventually it may get filled. So in this instance, I'm happy with that. So again, I'll swap it back. I've got my figures, because remember, I want to swap from ICX into TAP. Once this is done, great, I'm happy with that. I can, actually, I'm going to just make this 295. So what am I doing here? Yep, that's lower, excellent. So 10 ICX into TAP, hit create swap. Now, it will run through this. You've got to put in your password with the fees. Again, this feature I showed you earlier, I never use it for any other website apart from IconBet. So over here, I won't change that. Hit transfer. So you do pay a transaction. So what will happen as soon as this is done, you can see if I click on home, now that you have created one, you'll notice you got the account. You can click on account, and when you click on that, it will show you what you currently have pending, or if you've done any swaps prior to that. Again, this is the wallet I created for this video, so I haven't got any swaps there. But that's how you create a swap. Now, depending, it would get picked up based on anyone else out there who wants to buy and will accept it, and it will get traded. On the same thing, if you wanted to buy something right away, then you would literally go into the TAP token, and you can see over here the selling. If you scroll down for a higher price, you may pick up. You can see, oh yeah, I have 5 ICX. So if I clicked on this, I could pay that rate and acquire 112 TAP. I'm not going to do that. Just giving you an example. But okay, let's click on it. See, so once you click on it, you can't change the price, negotiate it, as basically what's been put up on offer. I would click deposit 5.5 ICX, it'll load up my wallet, and password, and then transfer, and I will acquire that tap. So that's a bit about the new refreshed Icon Swap site. So it has made it really nice to look at. Functionality is great, and the only little thing that I called out there was identifying the actual price based on what you're trying to swap for, but you can use that quick trick. There may be a simpler way and I'm just not seeing it, but for the moment that's how I use it and work out what I want to put. So you can see the last transactions over here based on stuff that's happened on Icon Swap, and this is based on what I have requested. Okay, so that's a bit about Icon Swap, Icon Bet. Thanks everyone for watching another Crypto Setups tutorial.